Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule posts and threads. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to schedule posts on threads, primarily you need the Threads app. You need to simply tap on it, and now you need to tap on the two dots line on the top left hand side of the corner and tap on the plus icon. After this, you need to create a feed. You need to describe what you want, and once you have finalized your feed, all you gotta do is create a new feed or new thread out of it. Once you have created a new thread, you can see the three dots line on the top right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on it, and there you can find the option called schedule. Once you tap on the schedule option, you can set the date and the time. Once you have done this, hit the done button and hit the post option. After this is done, you can simply schedule your post on threads, and this particular post will be posted on the time you have selected. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.